Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. So you all know that we have completed question number 5 of exercise 2.1. Alright, so now and I have given you question number 6 as a home assignment, right? So with that we will start our class today. Question number 6 from exercise 2.1. Alright, so student, this is our question number 6 from exercise 2.1. Alright, so question state that Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Alright, the picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. Alright, so how much should the picture be trimmed? So you have one frame. Okay, in that frame you want to put that picture. Of course, the picture should not be bigger than this. So the condition is, the picture, the width of the picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter, and the frame is of 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter. Alright, so if you calculate the value, no, then you will get 38 by 5 here and 73 by 10 here. Alright, so it is 7.3 and it is 7.6. So 7.6 is bigger, no? This is a picture width and this is a frame. So picture width is greater here, right? Picture width is greater, so it cannot be bigger than this. So we have to trim. We have to trim this, trim the size of the picture so that it will get fit in this frame. All right. So that trimmed, how much the picture should be trimmed, that we have to calculate. All right. So this was a rough. All right, so we will write like this. Okay, solution. According to the question, it is given that width of the picture is equal to 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter, isn't it? So it is 38 by 5 centimeter, right? Improper fraction. Similarly, width of the frame, picture frame, is equal to 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter, that is 73 by 10 centimeter. No need to calculate this in decimal form, just to explain you people which one is bigger. For that I have made this in a decimal form. Alright, so but we will keep this in fraction only so that it will be easy for you people to solve it. Alright, so therefore the picture should be trimmed by this minus this, you'll get the answer. 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. So obviously what we have to do, we have to do greater number first and then subtract that with the lower number. So 7.6 is bigger, no? So that's why I'm putting this number here. Why not 73? Do not get confused that, sir, 38 should be bigger, 38 should be smaller. No. Because when we divide it and get the value, no, you'll see that the 73 by 10 is smaller than the 38 by 5. Alright, so that is why bigger number first, then minus with the lower number. Alright, centimeter. Now you all know how to do this, isn't it? Whenever there is subtraction or addition, what we have to do? We have to do first LCM. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s is, our LCM is 10. Now divide this denominator with this LCM. It is 2, right? 5 2s is 10. So 2 into 38. 38 into 2 or 2 into 38. Minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. So divide this, multiply with this 73 into 1. It is 76 minus 73 by 10 is equal to 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10 centimeter. Alright, so the picture should be trimmed by, therefore the picture should be trimmed by this centimeter, 3 by 10 centimeter. Alright, so I hope you are clear with this. So our next question is question number 7 from exercise 2.1. Alright, so Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share? By how much? So now you have to calculate how much part did Somu eat, and who had the larger share. Now, to understand this question, I'm making here an apple. Alright, a rough diagram. Alright, so this is, suppose, say your apple. If it is not looking an apple, consider any fruits. Alright, okay, so whole this apple we will consider it as 1. Alright, if you break this, what I have told in the first class, that whenever you are converting or whenever you are breaking something, any object into the smaller pieces, that will be converted into what? After breaking, it will be converted into fraction. But at first it is in a whole, that is, say 1. Okay, we are considering it as a 1. So 1 by 4, any fraction it may be converted into. You may convert that 1 into half. You may convert that into quarter. Alright. So that whole apple is considered as 1. Okay. Out of which Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Now the remaining part was eaten by Somu. How much part Somu ate, that we have to calculate. Alright. So it is very easy thing. So let us solve. According to the question, part of apple eaten by, it is given in the question, no? So first of all, I am writing what part Ritu ate. It is 3 by 5. Alright. So now we have to calculate the part of apple eaten by Somu. To calculate that, part of apple eaten by Somu is, out of 1, his sister, Ritu, 3 by 8, 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5. Out of this whole, this 3 by 5 was eaten by Ritu. Now how much is left? That will be eaten up by the Somu. Alright. So to calculate this, what we have to do? This form we have to, the whole form we have to convert this in fraction. That is 1 by 1 is a fraction. Don't put 2. Okay, that will be another thing again. That will change the value. You should not change the value. You should change in such a form that the value should not be changed whenever you are changing into fraction. Alright. So you all know what to do. LCM 1 into 5 is 5. 1 comma 5 LCM is 5. So 1 divided by 5 is 5, and 5 into 1 is 5 minus, and 5 minus 5 is 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1 into 3 is 3. So it is 2 by 5. Alright. So it is 2 by 5. So now you have got the first part of the answer. That is, part of apple eaten by Somu is 2 by 5 part. Alright. Now what we have to calculate? Who had the largest share? Now it is in an equivalent fraction, part of an apple. Okay, here we have to calculate. Here, not calculate actually. Here we have to observe who had the larger share. So you don't have to convert this in to another form of fraction. That is, it is already an equivalent fraction. That is, both the denominator is 5. So which number is greater? 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Right. So this is number 2 answer. This is our number first part. This is number 2. So according to the data, 3 by 5 is greater, no? 3 is greater, no? So from here we can state that who ate the bigger part of the apple? So Ritu ate larger size of an apple. Isn't it? So this thing is clear. Alright, so by how much? By how much that we have to calculate? By how much? What is the, that is, we are going to calculate through the difference. That is doing minus. Now the difference between the shares is equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So again one question is there, no? By how much part C ate larger? C ate greater size of an apple. Minus 5. Minus here we have to do, and our LCM is 5. So it is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, minus 5 again 2. So 1 by 5. By this part, by 1 by 5 part, Ritu ate the larger size of an apple. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So we can write, thus Ritu share is larger than share of Somu by how much? By 1 by 5 part. She ate the larger part of an apple. Alright, so let's move on to the next. Okay, number 8 question from exercise 2.1. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Okay, Bhairav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? This question is similar to the previous one, number 7, but here what we have to do, we have to compare between this two person, that is Michael and Bhairav. Alright, so one is finishing coloring in 7 by 12 hour, and Bhairav completed the picture, coloring of picture in 3 by 4 hour. Alright, so to do this we have to compare, but the numbers, the fractions are different, so we have to convert this fraction into equivalent form. That is what we have did in ascending and descending form. We have to convert that the given fraction in equivalent form to compare. Alright, then we will get our answer. Alright, so let us solve this. Time taken, this is according to the question. Alright, time taken by Michael to color the picture. To color the picture, Michael took how much? 7 by 12 hour, right? Similarly, time taken by Bhairav to color the picture, same picture. They are coloring the same picture. Alright, that is 3 by 4 hour. So this, to compare this, we have to convert this into equivalent fraction, equivalent form, isn't it? So how to do that? So we have to compare between these two by taking the LCM of 12 and 4, the denominator first. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, and 3 1 are 2 2 are 4, 4 3 is 12. So our LCM is 12. So first of all, we will convert for this 7 by 12. Our LCM is 12. So we have to multiply both the side 1 here, because it is already 12 here. So 7 1 is 7 and 12. Both the side 1 we have to multiply in numerator and denominator form. So it is 7 by 12. Alright. So the value didn't change for Michael. This is for Michael. Alright. So number 2, it is 3 by 4. So now we have to convert this into 12. By how we will get the 12? By multiplying with 3. When we are multiplying denominator with 3, then numerator also we have to multiply with 3. So it is 3 3 is 9. So this is for Bhairav. So now we got equivalent form. Which one is who worked longer? By comparing this value, we have to say Bhairav, because 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12, right? So thus we can write Bhairav worked for longer time, right? Because 9 is greater than 7 and 12, they are in 12, same, equal, right? So next, what we have to find? We have to find by what fraction was it longer. So we will write, so Bhairav worked longer time by what? We have to find the difference, right? That is 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12, isn't it? So this one is bigger, no? That's why I'm putting this number in front. So here what we have to do, here we have to make this in an equivalent form, that is 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. We have to write this form. Alright, so it is 12, the LCM of 12 and 12 is 12, so 12 divided by 12 is 1, so 9 into 1 is 9, minus 7, it is 2 by 12. You can cut this, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, so it is 1 by 6 of an hour. Alright, so by 1 by 6 of an hour, Vaibhav walked longer time than Michael. Alright, I hope it is clear. So student, with that question we are over with exercise 2.1. Alright, so now we are going to proceed for exercise 2.2. But before starting exercise, let us learn about the multiplication of fraction. Alright, till now we have done addition, we have done subtraction, but to solve the exercise 2.2 you have to have a knowledge regarding the multiplication of fraction, which is very important to solve exercise 2.2. Alright, so here I have given few examples to make you understand you people. So I will be solving exercise 1 and 2, and number 3 and number 4 will be a home assignment. Alright, so this will be a home assignment. This thing you will not find in your book, this is made by me, so you will try to do it yourself. Alright, after understanding this two problem. Alright, so let us solve this. So I'm solving number 1, that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So this is the simplest one, everyone knows how to do, but still I'm brushing up your knowledge. Alright, some of may have forgotten also, right? So here we have to just multiply the numerator form first, 1 into 3 and 2 into 4. You can directly write the answer also, or you can do in such a manner. So 1 into 3 is 3 and 4 into 2 is 8. So if some numbers in numerator and denominator, if you get such a number where you can deduct or where you can divide, then you can divide it. Alright, so here nothing can be divided, so keep it like this. So number 2 we have 5 by 9 into 7 whole 2 by 3, isn't it? So first of all, to solve this, what we have to do, we have to convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. So basically improper fraction comes improper fraction, no? So 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 by 3. Alright, anything can be deducted? No, so we will directly multiply it. 5 into 23, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 11, 111, 115 by 27. Alright, you can write this form or you can convert into a mixed fraction. Alright, so I hope you are clear with this. So in tomorrow's class we are going to proceed for exercise 2.2. Alright, so using the basic concept of this example, we are going to solve exercise 2.2. Alright, so till then you do this assignment. Alright, number 3 and number 4, this will be a home assignment. Alright, okay student, this much for today. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Alright, thank you everyone.